Namaste. Today we will cover a couple of exercises that involve twists. With the right technique, these twists are deeply cleansing and help us detox, which makes them especially useful for people suffering from diabetes. So let's get started. To begin with, I'll show you this way, but you can just continue sitting in Sukhasan the way you were. Now, being in Sukhasan, basically we'll start with the twist, and there is a little bit of elaborate instructions, but that's what is really important to understand the right technique. So you take your left hand, put it on your right thigh, then take your right hand and put it behind. Now, with my right fingers on my palm, what I'm trying to do is press into the floor so that I can first pull my spine to be really straight. Now, when I'm pulling my spine to be really straight, also what is important is that your hand is not away from your hips, but it is close to the hips so that you can use it to straighten the spine. So we want length this ways. Then, as we start twisting, do not try and crunch your shoulders together, but try to get expansion even horizontally from the front of your heart, in the back of your heart, expand horizontally. What is also very important is that as we go into the twist, your shoulder blades should be drawing down. So, pull the shoulder blades down, they are drawing down, and then go into the twist. So from here, inhale over here, on the exhale, twist like this. Now, as I'm twisting to complete my posture, take your gaze and look beyond your back shoulder and then stay over there. Remember that you are expanding lengthwise, horizontally, and then taking the twist over that and looking back, and then keep a smile on your face and keep breathing. Now, as we are in the twist, it's not a static pose, it is dynamic. So, with the twist, as you're being over here, on every exhalation, try to even go further into the twist. Try to even look even back towards the back and keep twisting. And with this twist, basically what is happening at our internal level is that we are contracting our abdominal organs. It is massaging these organs, and therefore it is helping us strengthen the organs as well as detox our body. Especially for diabetes, it helps to release the hormones from the endocrine glands, which can help us with the situation of, like, the release of insulin and diabetes as well. So taking a look, balancing on the other side as well. You sit like this, again repeating. If I'm going on this side, I take my right hand, put it on the left thigh. Keep my right hand behind. Inhale over here. Get that length. Expand. Inhale. Exhale. Look towards the back, beyond the back shoulder. Keep a smile on your face. And breathe over there and enjoy that twist. Now, after you've done that, you can keep on practicing the first twist or multiple times to build into the practice. Then going into a little bit of advanced twist over here with the Anjaneya Asana. So this is Anjaneya Asana where you try and open up your hip joint, open up your pelvis, go like this. You can always allow your knee to go beyond your ankles over here, and that is fine because it doesn't bring much pressure on the knees. Then you take your palms together into this Namaskar Asana. Then you take this right elbow into this, beyond this left thigh, and then start your twist like this. So here I'm not twisting that much, but to go further into the twist, you have to try and bring this palms, this namaskar of yours, towards the center of your chest. So the more you go into the twist, the more it comes towards the center. You twist over there, then look towards the ceiling. After that expansion, stay over there. The more you can push it towards the center of your chest, the more you're opening up, the more you're going into that twist. Look towards the ceiling, keep a smile on your face, and keep breathing. So this is the other advanced twist, which you should then be doing on the other side as well. I've shown it to you only on one side. And then you can come back and relax and sit. And when you sit after your practice, one thing which is very important also for detox and for diabetes, which helps, is our pranayama practices. So for looking into the basic pranayama practices, which is Nadi Shodhanam as well as Kapalbhati, do refer to the other videos which show these practices. What happens with the pranayama practices is that it helps us de-stress and that reduction of the stress is usually very helpful for our health. So if you like this video, do click on the like button below. To watch more of such videos, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comments or thoughts, write in the comment section below. Thank you.